Hi guys. Hi, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
What we're going to do today is recreate my signature Magicband wreath. Isn't that adorable? This one is 4 or 5 years old, but I just got a cheap wreath at the dollar store. It's very synthetic-y looking. And I just found a wreath at Lowe's that is double, it's a double ring, right? And so I can put magic bands on both sides of them. So what you need for this Christmas Bradshaw tradition is a whole bunch of used magic bands.
And
and a Christmas wreath. So I'm gonna upgrade from this old one. This is my old one we just got out of our storage unit, and I'm gonna put it on the new one. So we have a lot of magic bands, and you get free ones, or you used to get free ones every trip. And so Lindsay's like, we don't need any more, and I was like, yes, we do. So anyway, every once in a while we'll get a special magic band, like Fox and the Hound, Ariel. This one is from Alani. It's Auntie's Beach House. Isn't that cool? Small World, exactly. So what we're gonna do, Georgia, is take all of these off and put them on that one. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, great. All right, Merry Christmas. This was the old wreath. You see? Look at the back of it. It's pretty janky. Is that a word? I had to replace it. So, here's the finished product. Isn't that glorious? Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! So, this is a double-ringed wreath from Lowe's. And this is actually the front, but it was hard to show them because all the, what are these called?
I don't know, greenery, branches?
All the branches. They're called branches, go figure. All the branches are in the way, so it's actually better in the back because the inner ring is set back about 2 inches, and that's what it's gonna hang on. But I'm gonna get a better bow. This bow is like 4 or 5 years old. Needs some help. But this is how we do the Bradshaw Magic Band wreath. And over the years, we just put more and more on it. So, do you think we should go put it on the door or hang it like right here inside? I just don't want somebody to steal it.
I know, but I vote for the door because it could, other people's Christmas decorations make me happy when I walk past them. That could really make some people happy. Oh, look, it's Georgia.
By the way, Georgia gave up 20 minutes in because her hands hurt. Undoing this is a lot of work, right? Oh. But anyway, there's the Magic Band wreath. Merry Christmas! Hot dog!
Oh.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Let's trim the tree. Ready?
Trimming it! Which means putting decorations on it.
Let's do it.
We don't actually trim it.
Okay.
When the snow falls outside, you can hold me tight. When it's cold through the night, we'll stay warm inside. We'll feel the fire burning, baby. Spin that record one more time, 'cause we're gonna spend our night dancing in Christmas style. Pack your bag, pack your coat, hurry up, it's time to go. Jingle bells and let it snow, playing on our radio. this drive might take a while, but we are headed home, traveling Christmas style. Everybody's snowed in, but we got the fire going. Who cares what the weathermen say? We're with the ones we love on Christmas Day.
Merry Christmas! Yeah, turn the dishwasher off.